Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at some basics of R and Python programming languages. They are two most important languages used in data science. We'll be looking at its writing, execution of the code and some applications using comments in R and Python. Comments are basically used to improve the code readability and for documentation purposes. In R and Python, we use hashtag sign to comment a line. Moving forward, we'll be looking at some code snippets for better understandings in the IDE. Executing commands. In R commands are executed using the enter key or by running or typing run and pressing enter in the R console, while in Python, commands are run by typing Python followed by the file name in the terminal. How to import a package in the R and Python. We use library function in R to import packages like ggplot2 etc. While in Python, we use import statement, basically a keyword to import modules such as pandas, numpy and matplotlib etc. Getting data into R. Read from files. The read.csv function reads the data from a comma separated value file CSV. Other functions like read.table can handle different file formats. Direct input. Create a data frame directly by typing in values or using a list or vector. Internet sources uses functions like read.table or read.csv to access data from web sources. Moving forward, let's learn how to save outputs. In R, we use write.csv function to export data to a CSV file. You can also save objects such as data frames using the save function. While in R, we use to_CSV method of pandas data frames that allows you to save data to a CSV file. You can use the pickle module to save and load Python objects. Let's learn how to access records and variables. In R variables are created using the assignment operator, which you can see in the PPT. They are accessed by their name. Data frames. Data frames use the dollar operator that access columns within data frames or the square brackets to access specific rows or columns. In Python, variables are assigned using the equal sign. They are accessed by their name only. Data frames use the braces or lock or ilock attributes to access specific elements or subsets within the data frame. Now, let's look in the IDE about how to write the syntax of each of the programming languages. We are in the VS Code IDE where I have written some syntax of our programming languages. We have used hashtag to comment a line. Also, for executing commands in R, we simply write 1 plus 2. It's a simple arithmetic operation which executes a command in R. Installing and importing a package. Basically, we have installed a package ggplot2 here and using a library function in which we are passing the ggplot2 for importing it. Reading a CSV file. In R, we use head function and then passing the parameters such as data to read the file from data.csv. Writing data to a CSV file. Write.csv, passing the parameters such as data, output.csv, rows names, will pass this parameter as false for no garbage values, etc. Accessing records and variables, using the data column underscore name to access specific column, and to access the first row we have used data function. Now let's look at some Python code as well. As you can see, I have opened the Python folder. In this, we'll be seeing how to comment a line of Python in Python. As you can see here, we have used the hashtag to comment a line. For executing the commands, here also we use simple arithmetic operations like 1 plus 2 to execute a command in Python. Python and R are totally easy languages which use simple syntax. Installing and importing a package in Python, we use import import keyword and followed by the file name that we have to import. Reading a CSV file, import pandas data equals to pd.read underscore CSV. This way we can read a CSV file. Writing data to a CSV file, again we'll be passing the parameter in the data.to underscore CSV. Accessing records and variables, data, and in the parenthesis we'll writing the column underscore name to access a specific column, and to access the first row we'll writing the data.ilog and passing the value 0. I hope you have understand some basics of R and Python, and later on in this series we'll learning some more concepts of data science. Thank you.